Hey everyone, today's video is going to be all about creating amazing content on a faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're camera shy or just prefer to keep your face off camera, there are plenty of ways to create engaging, valuable, and entertaining content that your viewers will love. In this video, I'm going to share some of the best ideas for creating content on a faceless channel, along with some examples of successful channels that you can draw inspiration from. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Create tutorials. One of the best ways to create content for a faceless channel is by creating tutorials. You can teach your audience how to do something or how to use a particular tool or software. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you can create tutorials on how to use Photoshop or Illustrator. Channel examples. The Future, with over 2.1 million subscribers, The Future is a channel that provides tutorials on graphic design, branding, and business. They offer courses and resources on their website, and their content is known for being informative and engaging. Marques Brownlee, also known as MKBHD, is a tech YouTuber who provides tutorials and reviews on the latest tech gadgets. With over 16 million subscribers, he is one of the most popular tech YouTubers on the platform, and his content is known for being thorough and informative. Tip 2. Do product reviews. Another great way to create content for a faceless channel is by doing product reviews. You can review products related to your niche or industry and share your honest opinion with your audience. This could be anything from tech gadgets, beauty products, or even books. Channel examples. Unbox Therapy, with over 18 million subscribers, Unbox Therapy is a channel that provides reviews and unboxings of the latest tech gadgets. They are known for their honest and in-depth reviews, and their content is always entertaining and informative. Toddy is a beauty YouTuber who provides reviews and tutorials on makeup products. With over 8.3 million subscribers, she is known for her thorough and honest reviews, and her content is always informative and engaging. Tip 3. Record voiceovers. If you don't want to show your face on camera, but still want to create videos, you can record voiceovers. This is a great way to create content without showing your face. You can create animated videos or slideshows and record your voiceover to explain the content. Channel examples. Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell, with over 20 million subscribers, Kurzgesagt is a science and education channel that creates animated videos on various topics. They are known for their informative and engaging content, and their animations are always top-notch. TED-Ed, with over 18 million subscribers, TED-Ed is a channel that creates animated educational videos on various topics. Their animations are always high quality, and their content is known for being informative and engaging. Tip 4. Create ASMR videos. ASMR videos have become increasingly popular on YouTube, and they can be a great way to create content on a faceless channel. You can create ASMR videos where you whisper, tap objects, or create soothing sounds to help your viewers relax and fall asleep. Channel examples. ASMR Darling, with over 2.5 million subscribers, ASMR Darling is a channel that provides ASMR videos on various topics. She is known for her soothing voice and creative content, and her videos are always relaxing and enjoyable. Jibby ASMR, with over 4.6 million subscribers, Jibby ASMR is a channel that provides ASMR videos on various topics, including roleplay and triggers. Her production quality is always high, and her content is known for being both relaxing and entertaining. These channels show their faces. You can hide your face and still have a large audience. Tip 5. Create product demonstrations. Creating product demonstrations can be a great way to create content on a faceless channel. You can demonstrate how to use a particular product or how it works. For example, if you're in the tech niche, you can demonstrate how to set up a new smartphone or how to use a particular app. Channel examples. TechSmart, with over 3.6 million subscribers, TechSmart is a tech YouTuber who provides product demonstrations and reviews on various tech gadgets. He is known for his entertaining and informative content, and his videos are always enjoyable to watch. iJustine, with over 7 million subscribers, iJustine is a tech YouTuber who provides product demonstrations and reviews on various tech gadgets. She is known for her thorough and entertaining reviews, and her videos are always engaging and informative. Tip 6. Create top 10 lists. Creating top 10 lists can be a great way to create content on a faceless channel. You can create lists related to your niche or industry, such as top 10 best tech gadgets or top 10 beauty tips. Channel examples. WatchMojo. With over 25 million subscribers, WatchMojo is a channel that provides top 10 lists on various topics, including movies, TV shows, and music. They are known for their entertaining and informative content, and their videos are always fun to watch. Screen Rant. With over 8.6 million subscribers, Screen Rant is a channel that provides top 10 lists and movie news. They are known for their entertaining and informative content, and their videos are always enjoyable to watch. Tip 7. Create how-to videos. Creating how-to videos can be a great way to create content on a faceless channel. You can create videos that show your viewers how to do something, such as how to cook a particular dish or how to fix a problem with their computer. Channel examples. How to Basic. With over 17 million subscribers, How to Basic is a channel that provides humorous how-to videos on various topics. Their videos are always entertaining and absurd, and they are known for being one of a kind. Linus Tech Tips. With over 15 million subscribers, Linus Tech Tips is a tech YouTuber who provides how-to videos and tutorials on various tech topics. He is known for his informative and entertaining content, and his videos are always enjoyable to watch. So those are some of the best ideas for creating content on a faceless YouTube channel, along with some examples of successful channels that you can draw inspiration from. Remember, it's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that provides value to your audience. If you create valuable content and engage with your audience, you can build a successful channel and reach your goals. Thanks for watching.